Myntri Rangbah konrat ke Samla ula Plie padba ya ka di Tiar ruralpreneur hajar arkusan na kithan Nongkyndong haga khat khandai tarik nailar ha Palau State Central Library Shillong haga balashim benta de ki arspa san phongut kinong shna Tiar kiba na Nongkyndong kani ka kan NEHU ka arphau tarik nailar kini ki arspa san phongut kinong shna Tiar ki wan na ki san phuar tadi ki CNRD block Khuborjylla Khubor dat banwanra ya kani ka jinga kendo lang bat jinggi Eki mar ki mata kalong lengba kajing kersan jaga mat trekam jaga Khuborjylla balajer kerteng deka prime rural program ka sorkar kalamang khat prak klur tengka ban penroy ban kersan ban penyat yau eki mar ki mata baki Nongkyndong kishna kithan bat penwandur eki Tiar kitar ba bonjan ki jingarap ka sorkar nalor ka bai seng kilong ru deki Tiar kitar ki badan kam ban tre ban kata nadu ki ternam ki ternia bat ki kor ki bor Kidon hadu shispa nyo po arngut gibriu kiba layo kijingkershan naka prime rural program. Lakershan by seng yaki lai point sau klur tengka haki than Nongkyndong. Kasorkar Meghalaya kandang yai penyar shu yaki jing trikam ke prime rural program haki berai bagi senam banwan laong ke Khubor sorkar.
This is fantastic and this is a beautiful to the market. Even in
I've
Delhi,
seen this product. There's a lot of people take from here.
sir, actually in Delhi we do not have an emporium of our own yet. So all these products.
I know the difficulties you go through. I know what small support, just even one support of small financial help can do to just take you through that one day where you're going to break and give up. But then you work one more day to see the next. That's what entrepreneurship is. And that's what every entrepreneur I'm sure goes through. That you are like, that evening you're almost like, I don't think I can do this anymore. I think I'm going to stop this business. I have to close this down. I can't pay salaries. I can't pay my suppliers. But then you keep going the next day. Friends, I want to tell you is that I'm somewhere satisfied today to see the kind of ecosystem that the team has been able to create for our entrepreneurs today. We are very aggressive. As correctly said, I don't think there is any other state in the country that provides the kind of support that Meghalaya is providing to its entrepreneurs. The way Minha and her team, we saw all those individuals who came up with certificates, we gave them certificates. So all the in charges of the blocks, it looks all nice that they're sitting here and getting certificates from Chief Minister. But you know what? When they went through to get that certificate, they went through hell. And I can understand it because I know the locations where they've gone to. It doesn't happen just, by putting up an ad or a paper. You have to work on it. You have to go down to the grassroots. You have to connect with the people. You have to feel their pain. You have to feel the challenges that they're feeling and work with them as a team. And that is the kind of passion and the commitment with which our team today is working. And I'm happy to see that so many entrepreneurs today are being supported. That day Dr. Vijay was just mentioning about the 3 different layers of urban prime, rural prime, and the prime collectives. And as he correctly said, these are all catering to different aspects of entrepreneurship. And then Mr. Sampath Kumar, Dr. Sampath came and he mentioned about the self-help groups. So we have created entrepreneurs out of self-help group also. So we have 50,000 groups. And somewhere or the other, each self-help group is a small budding business that is happening. So that is one more angle to entrepreneurship, which I would really like to see that Prime should be able to connect this program of the self-help groups and how we could make our Lakhpati Kongs and Abis into millionaire Kongs and Abis. Not just 1 lakh, how do they earn 10 lakhs now? And I think Prime can play a very crucial role in incubating, guiding them and taking them forward.
All right, we move to West Hill and the amount is 3,33,488.6. A huge lot of beneficiaries, and they are Nivania, Dauruhi, Leos, First Joy, Kermen Lang, Ribiat, Ajinghun, Angeline, also Master Plang, Prasis, Sanhihok, Arwandaki, Lasugon, Amin Roy, Help Me Lalu, Lari Kinti. Of course, we have more beneficiaries are Aminda, Mini Roy, Badashisha, Pinpalang, Bidok, Divya, Esper, Pida Lin, Preciously, Victoria, Washington, and Mary and Nuta.
Thank you.
2.85. The beneficiaries are Destiful, Repair, Chesterfield, Dakay Swami, also Lucky Sidor, Sunshine, Day Monme, Nimon, Badashisha, Amnesty, Suki, Kerha, Ami, and Mildros Rinklen. Dralina, IP Dalin, Istarwell, also Kelding, Jading Jana, Romila, Rose, Teo Larisha, Wanda Shisha, Bettika, Sita Mary, and Banshem Lang Nongrang. They are all the beneficiaries of West Khasi Hills and East and West Khasi Hills. Thank you very much. Yalman, Tuoding, Javilin, also Shintimeri, Tokiland, Palehun, Armstrong, Bunny Corlin, Singerland, Stronger, Peter, Cromwell, Iktar Miland, Chigan, and Rabbor Lang Tongin.
Thank you.
They are the beneficiaries of East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya with an amount of 1,38,70,000.
Some of them come. One chini. Thank you.
Kirsil and Meban Sanki Dakar. That's the check for Clariat East Gentiles.
Hold on. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to another block, and that is Lycra East Khasi Hills, receiving a check of 32,70,280. The beneficiaries are Trevor, also Noxia, and Plixibon Tham. Not all the beneficiaries are here, but their names are mentioned. They are just receiving this. They are from Lycra East Khasi Hills.
Hold on. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Anton and Balkanchi. They are all beneficiaries from Samanda of East Garo Hills, and they have received a total amount of 41,74,764.65. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.